2025 Kia Forte LX FE enters the compact sedan segment with a clear message. It's here to offer exceptional value, stylish design, and practical performance for daily drivers. With a refreshed approach for 2025, this model combines affordability with updated tech and sleek aesthetics, making it a solid pick for buyers who want reliability without sacrificing comfort or features. Starting from the exterior, the Forte LX wears a sharp and contemporary look. Its front fascia is defined by a modern tiger nose grille, flanked by sleek automatic headlights and a redesigned lower bumper that gives it a more aggressive stance. The blue color option really stands out, enhancing the car's bold lines and athletic character. The smooth side profile, 15-inch steel wheels with covers, and body-colored mirrors offer a clean and streamlined design without being too flashy. Around the back, the rear lights maintain the signature Forte style with crisp LED accents, and the bumper design keeps everything looking fresh and modern. Under the hood, the 2025 Forte LX is powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine delivering 147 horsepower and 132 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with an intelligent variable transmission, IVT, the Forte provides a smooth and efficient driving experience. It's not built for high-performance thrills, but it's tuned for reliability and fuel economy. With EPA estimates reaching up to 41 mpg on the highway, it's a wallet-friendly option for commuters and first-time car buyers. Inside, the Forte LX surprises with a well-laid-out cabin and a thoughtful feature set for an entry-level model. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so smartphone integration is seamless and cable-free. The interior materials are mostly hard plastics, but they're well assembled and feel durable. The seats are comfortable with cloth upholstery, and both front and rear passengers get decent legroom, making this compact sedan feel more spacious than expected. In terms of tech and convenience, the 2025 Forte LX is not bare bones. Standard features include remote keyless entry, air conditioning, power windows and locks, and a rear view camera. Kia's attention to safety also shines here. The LX trim comes equipped with forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and driver attention warning. These are features typically found in more expensive models, but Kia includes them as standard, boosting its appeal in the budget sedan category. Trunk space is another win for the Forte. With 15.3 cubic feet of cargo capacity, it outperforms many rivals in the segment. The trunk opening is wide, making it easy to load groceries, luggage, or daily gear. The rear seats can also fold down for added versatility, giving you room for longer items when needed, while the Forte LX is the base trim. It doesn't feel stripped down. It focuses on giving drivers what they truly need: reliable transportation, good fuel economy, modern tech, and strong safety. The ride quality is smooth and composed over most road surfaces, and while it's not a sports sedan, it feels planted and predictable. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia Forte LX FE is a smart choice for buyers looking for a dependable, efficient, and feature-rich compact car at an accessible price. Whether you're a student, a commuter, or simply someone who wants a new car without breaking the bank, the Forte delivers solid value wrapped in a stylish package. It may not turn heads like a luxury model, but it earns respect through practicality, build quality, and the peace of mind that comes with Kia's generous warranty coverage.